So this is an introduction to model making with foam. So there are 4 main types of foam, and the foam you choose will depend on the quality of the model that you want to produce. So the first type you have is expanded polystyrene. So this is the white foam you often see in packaging, and this is better for your low quality initial prototypes while you're figuring out your form or what's going on in your design. And then you'll move on to these 3 types of foam. So they're all extruded polystyrene, and you can tell that they're a lot higher density and they're going to get a lot better finish on your model, and you can achieve a lot higher detail. So with your foam models, you can use foam to create very complex geometric or very technical shapes depending on how you work with it. So if you use guides, if you use templates and the appropriate skills, you can get very high quality models, and it will help you quickly work through lots of iterations of your design. So gluing the foam, the only glue that you can use is polyurethane glue. Other glues such as super glue, epoxy or PVA will not work. It'll either dissolve the foam or it just won't stick. So you can use the glue either to obviously stick together pieces of your model, or if you need to achieve double thickness to what the thickness of the sheet is, you can laminate 2 pieces together, obviously using the polyurethane glue, but make sure you give it 24 hours before working with it. After it dries, you can then work with it in the normal ways. In terms of working with the foam, the main tools you're going to be using are a scalpel or a Stanley knife, the hot wire cutter, or sandpaper. Other tools, they may be appropriate, but you can talk to the workshop guys when it's time for that for your prototype. In terms of sanding, you start with 80 grit sandpaper, and it's easiest if you make a block like this, so you can either attach it to another block of foam or a piece of plywood like done here, just with double-sided tape, and that'll give you nice even pressure when you're sanding your foam.